Hi all, Planetside Agent here. Today I'm going to kind of go over what I think are the probably three best or three really cool mess kits. I think are probably they say the best or the coolest of them all. So I think for me the number one is this Russian Paratrooper mess kit, which I believe was originally designed by the Russian Navy, and then the paratroopers adopted it because obviously, you know, it's compact, it's light, it's out of aluminum, and everything's in one, so you got less crap hanging off you, you know, when you're jumping out of an airplane. So makes sense. And I don't know if you guys might have all seen these before, but I'll just kind of go over them quickly. There's a bazillion videos probably on all of these, but anyway, this one's, if you haven't seen it, it's really cool. The canteen actually locks into the mess kit part, so it's all one. You don't have to carry a mess kit and a separate canteen like you would with like the standard American models or the German style mess kits, and some of the other Russian Army mess kits are all very similar, most of the Europeans. But anyway, so you got a latch here to keep the canteen in place, and that nests very nicely inside the main pot. Really fits in there really well. So again, all aluminum. Has a chain so the guys won't lose it. So, and then you have your main cook pot here, and then you got the small cook pot or fry pan, whatever you want to call it, or just a second dish. It'll also work as a, sorry, I'm staying in frame, as a lid if you need it, or a double boiler. So anyway, that's the Russian one. It's seems, well, of course, got a bail, but yeah, really nice. I think it just a great design. So the main pot fits inside the top cut or fry pan. The canteen, as you can see, fits very snugly. Doesn't rattle around much. And then it's got the latch here, so it doesn't fall out. It keeps everything together. And like I said, this is probably my favorite, and I think it's probably the best design of any of the mess kits I've seen to date. So next, probably a toss-up between the Swedish Army mess kit and the Yugoslavian mess kit. So we'll do this one first. I think it's a toss-up. These are both equally cool. This one actually comes with a canteen, much like the Russian model, but you could carry a separate canteen for this one. But what makes this one special is the adaptability. It's got the, like I say here again, there's a bazillion videos out on this kit and how to cook with it and so on and so forth. But anyway, it's got the, what's nice is it's got the separate windscreen with the two bars that pop up, so you got pot stand, or hold your pot on it, and just pop all this off, and of course you got the lid. And these all came with a meth or alcohol fuel bottle, which is kind of cool. And of course it came with the giant Trangia stove, actually made by Trangia. And then this would always fit inside here. And then you got your old standard cook pot. What you can do with this, make sure I stay in frame, but this kind of comes out, and there we go. It fits in there. That way you got a hold handle for it, so you can pour from it. Oops, I keep getting out of frame. Pour from it, and it fits over the stove, and there you go. You got everything you need right here. So that's, and of course then it has the handles here, which you could use it. Oops, come on up. This was a little stiff. There we go. And probably seen that where you can get a stick or something. I'll just grab a screwdriver. to, if it gets hot, to lift it off the, the fire or whatever. Also, I heard somebody said it was also designed where you could stake your bayonet and put that in there as your as a handle to handle it when it's hot. So pretty cool design, all in one. I really think it's great. So anyway, that goes back in there. I don't have the. Some of these came with a little plastic cup, a kuska, or anyway. I thought about getting one, but unfortunately they're anywhere from like $8, and then you pay another $4 or more on shipping. I said, no, I'm not going to pay that for a plastic cup. If I ever come across one somewhere, great, I'll add it to the kit just for completeness. I guess these used to come with spoons and forks too, but I've never actually seen them advertised or anybody that's reviewed these where they had those. But you could probably, I'm not sure what they used in that. So yeah, these little legs fold back down. Put the lid back on. Fold these back down. And these fold in here, and then you could run. I think it actually originally came with a leather strap around here, something like that. If it's not tied down, it's going to get lost almost instantly. But I don't think I've ever seen anybody with this with a leather strap, unless it was kind of an aftermarket thing. So probably those sort of things probably get rotted. So anyway, it all fits back in here, and away you go. So that's another one who I think is an excellent design, and probably my top 3 the best. Now this one is really unique and also very well designed. Unfortunately, this one sometimes it came with a case, and when I bought mine, they didn't have the case. I've seen a few people have gotten them with a case. I don't know if this one ever did, probably not. And yeah, I must have had something in order to attach it, or unless they just stuffed it in their rucksack. But here's the Yugoslavian, which this one came with a case, which is really nice. So anyway, that comes out. And yeah, actually when I bought this one, it actually came with this little printed, said made in Serbia. So maybe this was done after, the Yugoslavia broke up into its provinces. But anyway, but what's cool about this one, the canteen or the kit fits in here, but then it has a little side pocket. I don't know if you can see that with the cutlery. Which this one came with the cutlery, hanging up there, and it comes with it all hangs nicely together. Let me just pull these out. I can do it without damaging myself. So you got. Yeah, that's dirty. I need to clean that. I've never used it. I just got it. Oh, what's this say? Yeah, must be Serbian or whatever the wording on that. I don't know what that is. Anyway, comes with a fork, a spoon. Yeah, I'm going to wash these right after this video. I might have noticed it when I first got it and then just got wrapped up and didn't do it. But then they both nest inside the handle of the knife, and also the knife looks like it comes with a can opener too. So I mean, you got open up your can and heat it up. So very nice, very clever. So these all, the fork has a curve to it, so it nests nicely inside the spoon, and then this slides into here. If I'm doing it right, I'm not. I'm doing it wrong. There we go. They all slide together. They hold together so they don't rattle around. You won't lose them. And then it has straps on the inside to hold it. So you got everything you need right here. So anyway, now we'll go over the mess kit canteen combination. Like the Russian one, it has the handle also snaps, keeps everything together. Oops. Snug. I'm going to cheat. Come on. There we go. Probably should pry that up just a hair to make it not quite so snug. But, I don't use these. They're just more for my collection. I bought it because I thought it was cool. So anyway, and you got the bowl here. There we go. Everything's pretty snug. And that's just, it's a plastic bowl or dish, or whatever you want to call it. Then it also comes with this little square cup. So you got a cup with it. I don't know, drinking out of square cups tricky, but Japanese do with sake all the time, so I guess it's possible. But yeah, it comes with a cup that fits on top. And then you got your, it's a plastic canteen with the lids attached. So it's just a plastic canteen that nests inside the main pot. Come on, get back on there. Anyway, and then you've got your pot, and it's aluminum, pretty heavy gauge aluminum too. I don't know if you can see how heavy that is. And this video is kind of sloppy as far as cameramanship. I'm not going to win any awards. But anyway, so you got your handle. The other thing it can do, I guess for going through a chow line, is it's got this little notch here in the pot, so you can have that there, go through your chow line, get all your food, and you're good to go. So, and this being aluminum, you can also cook on it if you know, whatever fire arrangement you can get. So actually, very, very clever design, nice compact, everything's together, so you don't have to get extra stuff. So again, the canteen fits in there, the cup fits over here, and then this fits over on top of this, and then you got latch it. There you go, and you can drop this in the bag. Get around the spoons. Okay, there we go. And it's got your old classic snap that a lot of the American stuff used to attach with. I got an old 1940s World War II canteen thing that has these type snaps on there. But there you go, and on the back, actually this must have belonged to JV before he had to turn it in after he got out of the Army. But anyway, it's got a belt loop, or a loop so you can attach it, and nice and compact, doesn't rattle around, which is good if you're trying to sneak through the woods. But anyway, there you go. My, I think 3 of the best, and probably my 3 favorite military mess kits. So hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.